And then in the second half, we were good. You know, we did a fabulous job on Rodriguez. Demetrius mostly, but we switched some stuff too. And then we did find that offensive rhythm with that smaller lineup, which helped us on both ends because we could switch everything defensively and not get worried about being distorted in ball screens, which they run all the time. And then it really spreads the floor out and opens the floor out for drives and kicks to shooters. And so, you know, hard-fought win, great to be 5-1 in the league. They're really good.
At what point did you just say, look, we just got to go 5 out and just run
Yeah,
the way you did?
yeah, and you know, I almost it was as much a defensive move because you know your big guys are up there the whole time showing on ball screens, and then they get distorted, and it's just not good to have to do that all the time. And they just keep doing it. You know, they just keep doing it. You don't play post defense against Miami. Your big guys never play post defense, and to have Bonzi and Zach doing that all the time wasn't the best. But we really couldn't switch with them. So we just went smaller. And again, when you have a guy like Connaughton, who can really guard anybody and rebound against anybody, you know, you feel you can rebound all right. But I thought our other guys helped us rebound too. Certainly then when we got down on the other end, the floor is wide open for drives. And I thought that's where Jaren was really able to get going and score on a drive and kick to shooters off of drives.